Just the other day, one of my dearest friends called me to say, "Oh, since you moved houses, I haven't seen your house. You haven't sent me a video of your house." And I was upstairs at the time, so I just showed her around. Of course, it wasn't this messy. As a matter of fact, it wasn't even dirty. It was just a bit scattered, and she was amazed. She was like, "Wow, Mabel, your house like this. I cannot believe it. So you have it in you." Because she knows how organized and how tidy I like to be, and because she's known me for so many years. And then I was like, girl, I am in survival mode at the moment. I'm just trying to survive really with these three kids. I can't even understand my life. I can't even understand myself. Because it's so busy. Once you become a mom, you become so busy, and I think that the more kids you have, the more busy you would get, because I can't remember being this busy in my life, but with these three children, oh my goodness. So in this video, we're going to be putting my house together, we're going to be organizing, and yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how it is on very busy days. I would say on busy days, you wake up morning till night, and you just have to make conscious effort to eat, conscious effort to rest if you can. But I'm not sure you can even rest, because from school runs to cleaning to cooking to taking care of baby, oh mommy, I want to poo poo, to doing the laundry. I try not to do the laundry really. My husband does for the most part. But in this video, I'm sure I'm going to relate, or I'm sure so many mothers would relate to this video. If this is something you want to see, relax, get your cup of coffee, and let's get this video started. One thing I hate to do is wake up to a dirty house, because if you wake up to a dirty house in the morning, then your day becomes very scattered and very busy. It's something I hate to do, but kids just do what they know how to do best. You cannot help it. You're trying to keep the house, but they do what they know how to do. And again, because I'm always busy, to be honest, the least place I pay attention to is my bedroom. And I don't have peace, okay? I had just taken Jamal to school and then just came back upstairs from downstairs. Downstairs is always clean for the most part. It's mostly always arranged because I'm always there. And Zim said he wanted to go outside anyways. It's actually a very lovely day. The weather is beautiful today. And I decided that, you see, I'm going to do this room because I do not have peace. I cannot have peace when my space is not organized. I cannot sleep well. I cannot dream well. I'll just be restless. As a matter of fact, I'm just unable to sleep. So I decided, okay, it's just me, baby, and Zim at home. Let me get this done. I was actually happy that he went downstairs, but he came back to me. So now in this room there is no wardrobe. Out of every room in this house, there is no wardrobe in this room, so we have this closet space where we keep some things, but most of my clothes are in another room. Okay, but yeah, there's no wardrobe basically, so I just dump stuff here, and because there's a curtain, you just cover it. I've not really had the spare time to do these things because I've been trying to prioritize resting. You guys know that I moved houses just after having a baby, and I broke down. A lot has happened with my health, and so I've gotten a lot of warnings and stuff from my family back home. My mom, her sisters, they keep calling, oh, you just had a baby, your body is still open, you want to rest, okay? Just leave everything and prioritize your rest, which is something I try to do, to be honest, but yet I'm still busy. But today, I said, today, not today. Today, we're gonna get this mess out of the way. And yeah, my little one was there helping out. I changed my clothes, and yeah, I just wanted to feel better in my body and just really do what I need to do. So I've got so many baby clothes. and I'm just sorting them out so that I can give some out and know exactly what I'm doing with my life. I think this bag and maybe 2 more bags I'm going to send to someone I know that is pregnant in Nigeria, because these are really good baby clothes. I don't know what to do with the rest, to be honest. I'll just give them out. Anything that has to do with clothes, I hate to do it. Let me tell you guys, I love cleaning. I love arranging. Like I said, I always say on this channel, cleaning is therapeutic for me. It's like therapy. I love it. But when it comes to clothes, I hate it. I hate laundry. I hate anything that has to do with clothes. But my husband does everything. So, with this, I was a bit confused. I was packing them, trying to know the one that my baby is not wearing anymore, the ones that are new that he's not worn, the ones that I'm giving out, the ones that I'm going to throw away. I was just trying to sort this whole thing out. But I would say that I was getting everywhere more messy, if we're being honest. As much as it looks like I'm organizing, everywhere is getting more scattered because this is not my area. I hate to do clothes. And then I found kilishi, this dried spicy meat. I found kilishi and I tried to eat it as I was doing my work. Baby boy was disturbing me, you guys. Go and keep this in your room. It's your hat. Is it your hat?
Yes, I want to wear it.
Hey, come on, wait. And this for who? Hey, this for Jam. Go and keep it in your room, okay? For both of you. You all know he wants to go to school, so he's just like, I want to go to school, mommy, please, let's go and pick Jam. He was bored, obviously. And in all of this, I realized that I had to cook as well. And I wasn't making anything serious. This is some meal. If you went to uni with me and you're my friend, you laugh, because this is what we used to cook when we were in school. And we just don't have time to cook anything serious. And it's so delicious. All this food that you don't even put your mind to. We'll get to that. But yeah, I'm just trying to fix something so that when I go pick Jamal from school, he would have something to eat. And funny enough, he likes this meal. He likes it. It's spaghetti. Like, we eat spaghetti in this house. We have different recipes. My husband has the best spaghetti recipes in this house. But it's this plain one that is so local. This one that has no level. That's the one that Jamal really likes. And anytime I don't know what to cook, I just want to cook something quickly, I just do this one. I decided to take some time out to spend with Zim, just so that he's not bored. I had to pay some attention to him for a bit before I continued doing my work. Put it on the bed, okay? Put it on the bed.
Okay.
Oh, wow. I got it for you.
I got the clip tab here.
Okay.
By
the way, Zim, you did this. You and your brother. Look at what you did.
Oh.
Yeah. What do you say to mommy?
Oh, sorry. I saved this. I saved it.
You saved it?
Yes.
Oh, good boy. Currently, I'm on maternity leave and I'm just so busy. My mom comes in today from Nigeria. Whoop, 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 whoop. I am excited. But I'm on mat leave and I'm just wondering how my life would be when I resume work. Like, even if I'm going to work from home, how busy am I going to get? How busy am I going to get, you guys? I had to squeeze out time to eat. I just made cereal. I just made quick cereal and decided to eat because everywhere was getting messy. Not too long from now, I'm going to pick Jam from school. And, when he comes back, it means that they're going to start all over again, dirtying the house. You guys saw that I had shown you downstairs and how clean it was. But obviously, once Jamal returns, it's not going to be like that anymore. It's not. It's a very simple recipe. Same oil I used to fry the fish, just put it in there, fry some onions, put your tomato paste. This is, like I said, student food, student meal, very easy. Put it in there, fry, put your seasoning, mix, 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 add some water, just very basic spaghetti recipe. And yeah, my jam jam is back from school, guys.
Mom, how is this?
Jam jam hat.
That's my hat. It's my size.
Some of the boxes in my room are actually supposed to go under my bed, but I took them to the garden house for now. That's because I've not been able to get my husband to help me put them under the bed. Every single time he'll be like, oh, we'll do it this Saturday, we'll do it next Saturday. And seeing it is just scratching my eyes. I don't want to see those boxes and bags in my room, so I decided to take them there. Back to the recipe, very simple. Jamal was so happy. He likes this spaghetti, he loves it. And I put crayfish, yes. I don't know if you guys saw it, but yeah, I put crayfish. It changes the game. We want to get ice cream quickly. Hello, morning, evening.
Hello, my name is Jamal. Hello, my name is Jim. Hello.
Oreo twin. Are you sure he's going to like it? Are you sure you're going to like it? Yeah. Small one. Zimchi, which one do you want? Zim, do you want this one?
Yes.
Sprinkle cone.
Okay.
Jamal, here you go. Do you want this one? Or do you want this one? You want sprinkle cone? Double because yeah. Okay, thank you. This one, is it really nice? The Oreo? I want some more of that.
This got popular, or the Nutella's popular.
Mommy, chocolate is very yummy.
Oh, Peppa Pig. That's Peppa. No jug today.
All done for you.
Thank you.
And then these ones got Nutella on underneath.
Okay.
Got some sauce.
Thank
Alright,
you.
thank you so much.
All right, Zim, careful. For the ice cream, we do not do this, to be honest. I think since we went on holiday last year, September, I've not bought this type of ice cream for them. I just try to minimize these things. But you guys, look at the kitchen that I showed you guys before now. Just look at the kitchen. Just look at all of these. These kids are just, look at, he's still doing more. They are professionals. As you're arranging, they are scattering. And if you're not a conscious mother, you're going to find yourself always screaming, shouting. But I'm just learning, really, because I actually shout, I'm not going to lie, but I'm learning to work around it and just be a more conscious mother. I just choose my battles. And I get what I can do done. There are days that I don't feel like doing anything. I just want to be pampered, but I have to get up and do these things because they're going to get everywhere scattered. And if you don't get up to do it, then you're going to have so much mess that you will not believe. You will not believe how much time it's going to take you to finally get everything done. So even on days that I don't feel like, I just sort of push myself and just do what I gotta do. You guys can tell it's already night. I haven't even eaten any proper meal, but I just have to round up this work. If I don't, if I don't, I'm going to regret it. I'm going to start all over again. By this time, I was exhausted. My husband was like, just rest, but I just had to get this done. I was tired. I'm not gonna lie. My body was tired. I had not even had my own bath. I had not given my baby a bath. So it wasn't a good time to be tired. I was tired. My mind was busy. My mind knew that I had things to do. So I just had to get up. You just have to. And this is where I miss my country because we just had people doing these things for us back home. And my house was always the way I wanted it to be. But this is the life that I have chosen, and there's nothing I can do or say. I have to live the life I've chosen. This is a part that I don't really like, but I just have to do it. I mean, I like working, but I just don't like the fact that I have to do it every day. It's me or nobody else. And I don't want anybody, my husband, to do it for me because it's not going to be to my taste. Now, the health visitor came, and she said my baby should not use any pillows whatsoever. But the thing is that he regurgitates from his mouth and nose. So I was trying to let her know. She said he should sleep on his bed flat like this. That if I was going to raise it up, I should put it underneath the pillow, which I just underneath the mattress. So you can see I put some things underneath just to raise that head up. And he's not slept on the bed for a few days. He's been on my own bed. So I had just arranged his bed, and yeah, he's going to be sleeping in his bed for now, as in from now on, as usual, as it used to be. Yeah, this is the broom I like. I haven't bought things in my house. I haven't done my room. I haven't done a wardrobe. I haven't ordered a Hoover. So I just use my local African broom for now. And yeah, I have done something meaningful for myself today. It's time for me to have my bath. That's it basically. I had my bath, gave baby a bath, and had my own mommy time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.